Well, hi everybody, welcome back. I promised on my last video that I would give you some information on the Long Beach swap meet. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get any video because of technical reasons. Isn't technology great? But yeah, it was really a nice swap meet. I really enjoyed that. It's one of the better swap meets, and it's down there in the college parking lot, and it's nice, and it was just a good morning we spent down there. Probably spent a couple hours going through it. And I did want to mention that I picked up a couple of what I call bargains, and I'll show them to you here. The first one I got was a hood for the 27, and I hope the wind isn't hitting that mic too hard. Got the hood. It's a brand new hood. It's been going for a couple of swap meets, but I picked it up really cheap, cheaper than the used hood I bought a couple of years ago. And so here's the hood. The hood is all it's smooth as can be. It's no dents, no nothing in it. It's perfect, and it's just got a coat of red primer on it. So that's worked out real nice, and that's not the only bargain I found. We'll fold up the hood. Okay, so the second thing I found down there was a front axle. And I was concerned because my kingpins on my axle are shot, and also these bores into the axle are wallered out, and I was going to need to have them repaired. So I thought, well, maybe I can find an axle down there. So my daughter and I went through a pile of axles, and I found the best one I could. And I walked up to the man who was selling it, and he told, before I could even get my mouth open, he says $10. So I'll tell you what, this is a perfect axle. And if it's not straight or whatever, I can get it. I can straighten it out. But for $10, who could go wrong? Anyway, this wind's starting to pick up, which is pretty normal around here. So all of you have yourselves a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later. There I am. We'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.